don't touch me, don't touch me.
Calm down, talk.
For how long? Baby, wait, I just want to ask you now.
Okay.
For over 8 years, you think it's easy to build
Tell me, I want to hear you.
You think it's easy to build 8 years relationship?
No, it's not easy.
No fight.
That's why I value you.
You're supposed to appreciate every single thing what they do for this
I
service.
appreciate everything you are doing.
For tomorrow, why say you buy for me? They follow me, they carry me, they play ball.
Okay, but you told me the hairbenders are in Nigeria.
And that's what I tell you. I don't send you different screenshots. You say send more. I don't send more.
How do I send? You know the money we have is in pounds. And I said, give me some time. Let me figure a way to send the money to them now.
You won't send that.
I will send. I should use what?
Use tap, baby.
Tap?
Yes, baby.
What's tap?
Tap now application when you fit send money. If you there for UK, if you there for US, if you there for Canada, if you there for Australia, when you fit send money, go Nigeria.
To Nigeria.
Yes. It's tap, baby.
Is that why you were crying?
Yes, now only $500.
Let me use my phone now.
No, baby, use this one. If you use this one like this, then I can go past.
Why am I using your phone?
Because your first time they are going to give you £20 in return, and I want to make you other and I make it be £520.
You see yourself. You want me to send money with tap to Nigeria for your hair, yes. And you are still greedy. You still want the £20 you will give me
greedy.
as a first time sender.
It's not greedy. Okay. If you want your marriage to last, you do what your wife wants.
So you mean every first time sender you get £20 back?
Yes.
So if I'm in Canada, I'll get 20 Canadian dollars back.
Yes.
If I'm in US, I'll get 20 US dollars back. For first time transaction.
Exactly.
Okay.
Baby, do it fast.
Tap.
Make a message, my friends.
Send.
Baby, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, my body they shake.
It's gone. So quick.
Yeah!
I never knew there's something like tap.
God will bless you, my husband. My husband will never lack.
Amen.
If my husband go front, he go
Amen.
up.
Amen.
He not go ever
It's
go
okay.
back.
Okay.
Anybody when they plan for my husband back to
Amen.
center.
Amen.
Baby,
Amen.
thank you.
So I can download from my phone too now, so I can also be getting.
It's okay, baby. Thank you.
Back on first transaction.
No, bye-bye.
Why are you pursuing me now?
Nothing, baby.
Is that why you? What's here, sir?
Nothing, no.
Let me see now. What did you cover?
Baby,
now?
nothing. I was trying to do exercise here. I've been here since crying.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
So you told me you are doing exercise.
Now they do not say I sweat.
So you are sweating on fufu exercise.
No, this one won't feed baby. I won't feed Bensi.
I will not allow you for this one. You told me to be strict with you at home.
Baby.
That I should make sure you do it. You work out.
Baby, when I mean you should monitor me, not be like this.
No. You
Who do I
no,
want
no,
to be
baby.
I think so. We tell you this. I'm not the top.
Wait, listen to me. You told me, please monitor me. Be strict on me. I want to be eating from 12 p.m.
No,
so
so
12 p.m. I will give you.
Baby.